Vandeputte. In this video, I'm showing you my preferred settings for high quality uploads for both TikTok as well as Instagram Reels. Reels is all Instagram seems to be caring about, and tell you what, if you post enough of them, you might go viral like I did recently, and that got me about 16,000 new followers, which is the first time I've grown my account in a while. Now, I'm going to show you how to create your own preset. If you're lazy, you can just click the link below, sign up to my newsletter, and download the preset that I'm showing you how to create today. Pretty efficient, I'd say. Now, let's begin. We're going to open up Premiere Pro. You're going to go to File, New, Sequence, and in the Settings tab, you're going to use the settings that you see on screen. The resolution you're looking at is 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels high, and depending on where you are in your source footage, you're going to dial in 24, 25, 30 or more frames per second. You edit your footage, your time lapses, your hyperlapses, your whatever it is, your photo compilations, edit it however you want, and then it's time to export this. Now, you can go to File, Export Media, or you just hit the Export tab at the top. First of all, under Format, you're going to select H.264, which is your codec, and then make sure you enable Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Then scroll further down, and then this is debatable depending on who you ask, but I use 30 megabits per second here. That's enough quality for all these platforms. Some might re-encode them themselves, but at least your source file will be high quality enough for that re-encoding if it does happen. Now make sure that your audio export is enabled as well, and then hit the go button and wait a couple of minutes depending on your system and the length of your edit. Premiere Pro sometimes takes a while. Now, if you've seen my previous video, there's a setting on Instagram that allows you to enable high quality uploads. I'm not sure if that setting does anything. It's both for cellular and Wi-Fi uploads. In my tests, it didn't make any difference, but I'd love to get your experience with that. I guess, does it make a difference for you? I've done my testing, I've done my research. Didn't seem to do too much. So maybe it's for other kinds of videos or uploads. We'll maybe find that out in the future. TikTok has a similar setting. It's called Allow High Quality Uploads. And that's it. That's all I've got for you today. Download my preset down below. If you want to learn how to do time lapses and hyperlapses like I do, I've got a couple of courses that you can find downstairs, down below. And I've got some free ebooks about time lapse and hyperlapse stuff as well. If you have any video requests or questions, drop them in the comments down below. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're well. And that's it. Bye bye. Buy my time lapse course. Bye 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 bye.